My cute little pet puppy Care.
Poppy's got injured while playing. Let's treat him with some first aid. Remove the thorns. Spray. This will help the puppy. It's time for X-ray. Oh, the bone seems to be broken. Let's fix it. You're doing great. Good job. Let's check the temperature. It's time to check the heartbeats. Oh, puppy's normal. Injection time. Let's give the puppy some medicine. Use the magnifier. Oh, germs. Be careful. Let's remove the germs. You're doing perfect. You're doing perfect. Puppy looks fine now. He can now play as much as he likes. Thank you. It's time to clean the puppy. Hey, use the brush. Apply some soap. Let's shower him. Let's wipe him up. Puppy loves that fragrance. Puppy's really hungry. Let's feed him. Puppy loves lollipop. Eggs! Puppy loves them too. Wow! This is Puppy's favorite. All-time favorite, meat. Puppy loves milk. Cake is Puppy's favorite. Puppy loves lollipop. Yummy! That's his favorite food. Ice cream! Wow! Puppy loves it. It's time to play in the playground. Colorful ball. Pass him a box. Flying disc. You were so lovely. Puppy loves this. Time to take a shower. Balloon. Wow, bone. Puppy loves playing. Soft ball. You were so lovely. It's time to race now. 3, 2, 1, go! Hey, be careful to cross that obstacle. Don't worry, keep on moving. You won the race. It's time for Puppy to go to bed. The pacifier will help him sleep well. Let's give him his favorite things. Puppy loves music. That's his favorite teddy. It's cold. He needs a warm blanket. This blanket will keep him warm. Let's put an alarm. Help the puppy to dress up. Awesome dress! Stylish collar! Stylish collar! Marvelous! Oh, cool glares! Excellent! Excellent! Marvelous! It's time to take some beautiful pictures. You can choose the background of your choice by sliding your finger on the screen.